Have you ever been confused between I will study tonight and I will be studying tonight? Don't worry. After today's 7-minute masterclass, you'll clearly understand the future continuous tense. Welcome back to our English Tenses Masterclass. If you haven't watched the previous lessons from present tenses to future simple tense, watch those first. They'll help you understand today's lesson.
Ma'am, I know how to use will, but I don't know when to say will be.
That's a common question. By the end of today's class, you'll know exactly when to use it. Let's begin. First, let me ask you a question. What will you be doing at 8 p.m. tonight?
I will study English.
That's not wrong, but I asked what you'll be doing at a specific time. So, the better answer is, I will be studying English at 8 p.m. tonight. Can you repeat it?
I will be studying English at 8 p.m. tonight.
Excellent. Now tell me, what will your mother be doing at this time tomorrow?
She will be cooking dinner.
Perfect. What will your friends be doing tomorrow afternoon?
They will be playing cricket.
Excellent. See? We use the future continuous tense to talk about an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. I'll ask you some more questions. What will you be doing tomorrow?
I will be attending my classes.
Very good. Where will you be working after graduation?
I will be working in a good company.
Excellent. What will your family be doing this Sunday evening?
We will be having dinner together.
Perfect. Common mistakes. Listen carefully. I will studying tomorrow. Is this correct?
No, ma'am, it should be. I will be studying tomorrow.
Correct. Another one. She will be cook dinner. Correct?
No, it should be. She will be cooking dinner.
Excellent. Remember, after will be, always use verb plus ing. Translate these sentences. मैं कल इस समय पढ़ रहा हूँगा.
I will be studying at this time tomorrow.
Perfect. Next. वे अगले सप्ताह यात्रा कर रहे होंगे.
They will be traveling next week.
Excellent. Last one. वह रात 10 बजे काम कर रही होगी.
She will be working at 10 p.m.
Perfect. Quick quiz. Choose the correct sentence. A. I will be sleeping at 11 p.m. B. I will sleeping at 11 p.m.
Option A.
Correct. Next. A. They will be watching a movie tonight. B. They will be watch a movie tonight.
Option A.
Excellent. Last question. A. She will be traveling tomorrow morning. B. She will traveling tomorrow morning.
Option A.
Perfect. Fantastic. Today you've learned the future continuous tense. Remember this simple rule. Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. Use it when an action will be happening at a day, particular time in the future.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I understand the difference between future simple and future continuous.
You're welcome. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Watch the complete English Tenses Masterclass playlist to master all 12 English tense. In the next lesson, we'll learn future perfect tense with easy explanations, real-life conversations, and speaking practice.
I can't wait for the next class.
Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve faster than ever. See you in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.